Hello. Sir.
Sir, 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. Good morning, everyone. A warm welcome to.
Tell him to side. Go to side.
Anne for the few words on the football bridge. I'm Susanna.
So, okay, we are doing this without micro, that means I need to speak loud, right?
Yeah.
That is expectation. It has been a fantastic year since opening for us, for IKEA in Bengaluru. And we know that our customer, they love our products, they love our home furnishing solutions, and they love our food. And we can proudly say, we love Bengaluru, and in turn, Bengaluru loves IKEA. That's fantastic. I feel very great to welcome you all for this significant milestone here today, the opening of our food overbridge. And I want to thank everybody who has contributed to create a much better and more convenient shopping experience to our customers, to the many people. Can you imagine 1/3 of our visitors have... Oh! So, can you imagine 1/3 of our visitors have opted of using the metro for the commute or to reach the IKEA Store. And that is an amazing number. I personally, I didn't believe, I thought it's less, but it's quite encouraging to see so many people commuting to IKEA Store. Proximity of IKEA Store and Metro Station is a big win-win for IKEA, but also for the Bengaluru Metro, and for our customers, our co-workers, and the society. 1/3 less fewer cars on the road contributes a lot to our environment and to the traffic condition. Today, we are even more convenient because now people from many locations in Bengaluru can commute to the IKEA entrance directly in metro system. And I'm speaking about people from Whitefield, from south of Bengaluru, regardless of weather conditions. And that is fantastic because we can provide a safe and convenient travel for everybody, for the many people, inclusive the families, friends, wheelchair, for everybody. And that is fantastic because everybody who chooses the metro contributes as well to a sustainable future and a better environment and less pollution. So that is fantastic, and now let's celebrate all together this opening. Together we can create a better everyday life for the many people. I give it back to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Shankar, the Executive Director of IKEA.
Anya, this side, one. Okay, all guys this side.
Go inside and talk.
Very good morning. ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಶುಭಾಶಯ ಮುಂಜಾನೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. So it is a very great occasion for Bengaluru and IKEA to have jointly developed a foot-over bridge directly connecting to Bengaluru today. Nagasandra Station in Bengaluru. This is the second such a overbridge directly going into the retail space. First in Mudella, Country Mall and Kerala. So there it is directly connected to the IKEA Metro Station. And this is another station, and many such stations I think will come up in the future. We have connected the south, the far west and the east, the eastern places of Bengaluru with the commissioning of Whitefield to Whitefield. The footfall has increased tremendously in the last 1 week. We have seen more than 7 lakhs regularly, and 7.5 lakhs also it has gone. And then in the days to come, I am sure it will be ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, because there is a positive feedback from all the people. They are liking the metro. We are for punctuality, we are for service, and then metro is for cleanliness. We are the second largest network in India, and then our metro is well appreciated by the public. We continue to give good service, and this is one of the initiatives that we are directly connecting to IKEA Store in collaboration with IKEA. And then this is not the only one thing, and we are improving several facilities for the public. We are providing escalators, we are providing new lanes, extensions will come in a few months to come. So Bengaluru will feel very happy to travel in metro and experience a different life in the community. In the upcoming cricket matches also, there in World Cup cricket matches, we have provided best of the facilities, and then I am sure that people will come in large numbers to metro, because metro is reliable, clean and health. So I once again wish all the people in IKEA and all the Bengalurians a happy occasion on this very beautiful day, and then dedicating this bridge to the public. And then we have opened the ticketing at the same level. People can also get tickets in the same level. They can enter the metro directly without any hurdle. So this is very nice, and then I would request all the public to make use of this facility. So thanks, and then let us collaborate and continue to provide good services to the public. Thank you.
Along with our team. Thank you. Now I would like to invite our press member to have a group photo.
ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐಕಿಯಾ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನಾಗಸಂದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕ, ನಾಗಸಂದ್ರ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಐಕಿಯಾ ಜೊತೆ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಟ್ರೋಯಿಂದ ಅಂದರೆ ಕನ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲಿಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಐಕಿಯಾ ಸ್ಟೋರಿಗೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಜನ ಮೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಗ್ರೌಂಡಿಗೆ ಇಳಿಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ರೋಡ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಡಿಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುತ್ತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು. ಈ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಕೆಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿನೂ ಚೆಕ್ಕು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಭಾಳ ಒಂದು 50 ಮೀಟ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೋರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎ ಸಿ ಇದೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೆಟ್ರೋನಲ್ಲೂ ಎ ಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇದು ಎರಡನೇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿರೋದು. ಮೊದಲನೇದೇನೆಂದರೆ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಮಾಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸಂಪಿಗೆ ರೋಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದು ಎರಡನೇದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ.
What are your thoughts on the bridge opening, and how do you see this easing up the visitations? And I think that's
fantastic milestone, and it is a huge step towards more convenient shopping experience for the many people, because now they can really go on the metro and have the journey, a convenient journey to our store entrance, and regardless of weather conditions, heavy rain or sun, and also it's very free, so that you can also join and go on with your pram, with your family, wheelchair, so on. I think it's very convenient and a huge difference to how it was before. And we also know that our customers, they love to take the metro because it is convenient and it helps a lot to reduce traffic on the road.